di pescatura, di bigizie rare, trovano l'amore e gli schidi le care. Ciavoro di terra, ciavoro di sale, fatto gusto duri, più salato di lo mare. Di giallo cori, ce n'è vampa chi splendi, ma lo pesci grosso, nella vita e nella sente. Canto Favignana! Una marita in Sicilia, così come un lupiri, e chi non ti pensi, che lo mondo non ha più uguale. La mente è chi non ha amore, l'amore di colora, chi lo chi la vedi, di sicuro si innamora. Marita in Sicilia, così come un lupiri, e chi non ti pensi, che lo mondo non ha più uguale. La mente è chi non ha amore, l'amore di
Le forasteriche in Sicilia sono, la guardano con grande meraviglia, vicino che non c'è nato tutto il mondo, e sulla cala nostra s'assimiglia.
Here you go, Bonnie. Try some.
That's delicious.
Te picchiaro alla femminetta, ritto un talo cori, e chiancia di dolori, ai, 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 ai. E la barca la strascinava, e lo sangue ne corria, e lo mascolo chiancia, ai, 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 ai.
1, 2, 3, 4. Vino, vino, Sicilian genuino, chi beve che è un grappino e dopo mi butto giù.
E lo mascolo pari a un pazzuto, mi diceva, betta mia, non chianciri, betta mia, non chianciri, rimatti a che affari. Rispondi alla femminetta, con un filo e voci, scappa, scappa, amore mio, casino tacidio.
Walking down the street, get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, we're the monkeys. The people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say.
Beetlejuice.
No, 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 amore mio, se tu muori voglio morire insieme a te, se tu muori amore mio voglio morire insieme a te. Con sarto si trova questo, cucchio, cori a cori, e così finì l'amore di tu, pesci sfortunato.
Dame la mano a farmi dire sì a tutte le stelle, più di larelle che c'ha, e
che quasi primavera.
Vino, vino, sincero e genuino, ci faccio anche un grappino e dopo mi butto giù. Lina, 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 che bel dominante.
Mano bala su, vida stasera.
Siciliano che parti e non sai più tornare, ricordati il lupo e più solo per domani, ti raccomando la tua razza non fa scordare, e la cultura siciliana in avanzare, da gare arance ogni bene puoi trovare, montagna o mare se ti vuoi a riposare, nasta Sicilia c'è una bella compagnia, e ora canta, canta insieme una compagnia.
Welcome to Sicily,
Welcome to Sicily, Sicily, Sicily.
welcome to Sicily, welcome to Sicily,
Welcome to Sicily, Sicily, Sicily.
welcome to Sicily, welcome to Sicily,
Welcome to Sicily, Sicily, Sicily.
welcome to Sicily, welcome to Sicily,
Welcome to Sicily, Sicily, Sicily.
For me, the best meal of the week by far was the first night we had this amazing bocciati pasta, and I have no idea what was on it. I think maybe pistachio or something, which is something I would totally not normally like, but it was awesome. And then we had like a pounded veal that had bread crumbs and oregano. It was amazing.
For me, the meal that was the best meal we had was the one that we made. It had a little curly pasta, and we were making the pasta and curling it on little bamboo skewers.
For me, the best meal of the week started with the Arancia that Rocky bought us in the airport, and we ate arancini, and we ate continuously until like about, oh no, we're still eating, sorry. We never stop, and if I had to choose the best point in time, it would have been Yvonne's barbecue, where we ate and sang and danced. Outstanding.
Oh, that was really good too.
I forgot about Yvonne.
That was really good too. Like
Yeah,
he
right.
said
Go back.
arancini, and I was like, oh, that's really good. And then he said barbecue, and I'm like, oh, that was really good.
The point is it never ends.
Never ends. It's endless. Foodie paradise.
What he said.
Best meal I've had of the week was yesterday in Trapani with the butcher. Sausage.
Really?
I like sausage.
There is no best meal. Every meal we've ever had at CDV, bar none, has always been fabulous. The ones we make ourselves, the ones we have with the local people, the ones that we have in people's villas, have all been completely beyond compare. And we go home and try to make them ourselves at home.
Well, once again, you gotta agree, it's no best meal, but the home cooked meal, the lasagna, the cookies, the cannolis, that was in that setting, beautiful setting, right on the hill, overlooking the ocean, Mediterranean. It's fabulous. It was great.
Well, every meal is a great meal. If I had to pick one, for me the best meal was the pasta that we had on the boat and the fish. That was just awesome because we caught the fish on that morning and we cooked it.
That's right.
Yeah, so thank you.
So is anybody changing now?
Once again, you gotta say all meals are great. You can't pick one. It's like the last meal.
Oh yeah, you were sick. Why can't you say the meal on the boat was very good?
Take your meds early.
Okay, so without sounding like a diplomatic weenie or anything, really whatever meal I'm eating at the time is the best meal. However, I will say that there were a few standouts, and somebody else mentioned, but the pasta on the boat was just phenomenal. This pasta with tuna and pomodoro, tomato, and very simple, just had some onions and parsley, but just olive oil. It was just fabulous. The arancini that we made were off the chart, fantastic.
Best thing I ate all week was the pasta on the boat. Rocky and I looked at each other and says, this is ... good. Yeah. We were like, I was sick. I was a little seasick, and I thought I was just going to have bland pasta. And then he just put this huge amount of pasta on my dish. And then I thought, okay, I'm just going to take off all the tuna and just eat it like that. I had 2 dishes and 2 fried fish.
All right, the best thing I ate all week, without question, beyond everything else, was Ivan's barbecue. The chicken, it was the most simple chicken you could ever have. I mean, it was simple chicken with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of rosemary, and just grilled up, but it tasted like heaven. And I know I'm going to be dreaming about that chicken until I'm here next September. Ah!
There were so many, I can't even remember which one was the best, except the nice little dessert with the light dough, the empanada, what is it called? With the cannoli. It was good every time.
And also, the barbecue at Yvonne's house was simply amazing. That just kind of like stands on its own and almost like was separate from everything else, but once again, amazing.
On an island just off Sicily, on a tour with CDV, we were Yanks and Nucks and Aussies sailing in the Mediterranean Sea. We went walking, we went shopping, and we swam the salty sea. Under moonlight we went fishing, buona bene pesci. In Palermo there was Michael, who won't eat if it's extreme. Then there's Paula, she's a trooper, she'll eat lungs and tongue and spleen. We've seen churches, explored grottoes, we have eaten things quite weird, but we never how cute he was till Scipio shaved his beard. Wait a second, we gotta compose ourselves. We'll miss Ivan and his love songs. He made all the women sigh. But cannoli and the cookies really went right to our thighs.
Cosa vuol dire? Dopo lo voglio tradurre.
Rocky helped us and took pictures. They fed us wine, both white and red. But his sausages were quite small. At least that is what she said. From the airport we are flying to our homes across the sea. But we come back in a heartbeat. We love our friends in CDV.